Hello everyone, today I will perform 3 ways on how to lift and hold a baby and demonstrate on how to burp a baby after feeding. So, let's begin.
Before lifting and holding the baby, wash your hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on their neck, head, back, and bottom. Lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at your knees, face off. Baby's feet should be tucked in at your waist. Hip hold. Face your baby outward and make her sit on your hip bones. You should wrap your arm around her waist and baby will be able to look around comfortably. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby's chin should rest on your shoulder. Gently tap or rub the back to help him burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knees. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling your baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby in a sitting position. Support the neck and the head. Gently tap the back or rub to help him burp.